Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons. Grab your favorite markers, come along with me and let's draw our favorite characters together. Today we're going to draw Austin from the Backyardigans. So grab your pencil and let's begin. We're going to start with Austin's head. So what we're going to do, we're just going to draw an oval. We're just going to draw a light oval, about like this. And then underneath that, the arms, you're just going to make a rough shape for the arms, and then we're going to draw another square, maybe from here, and we'll just draw a square here as well. And then from there I want to draw the underbody, and we're going to draw the legs. I'm just going to draw a line out. We're going to do this, just rough sketches. And then about here is a foot, and on this side there's a foot going this way, and then of course there's going to be a tail here. Now we're going to go back and we're going to start filling in the details. Now right on top of the head, I'm just going to draw two ears, one a little bit smaller, one a bit bigger, right there, and here as well. And then I'm going to have this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw a line down in the middle. I'm going to have this oval like this, and then I'm going to make another upwards curve around there about. So you're just going to draw that. And now that we have that, we're going to draw two eyes. I'm just going to draw an eye here and a smaller one right there. And then from here, I'm just going to draw a little triangle. There's a triangle, and then of course we're going to just draw a little smile there as well. All rough sketches. Now here I'm going to start, and I'm just going to draw a little sleeve, something like this, and then from there I'm just going to make two little lines out, and then right here I'm just going to draw another sleeve. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw an arm over, and then one there as well. So as you can see, we have sort of a folded arm there, and I'm just going to draw a stripe out. So now we're going to go back and we're going to put in even more detail. Now from here, I'm going to go over, we're going to make the eyes again. And now you can draw the eyes a bit more carefully. You see the back one a bit smaller than this one, and then we're just going to, a pupil, and on this side another pupil with the eye, with the light reflections there. And then here of course we're going to draw the little triangle nose. Good. Right above there we're going to have eyebrows as well, and now we can do the side of the face. So you're going to draw the side of the face, we're going to draw that smile, the beautiful smile of Austin, and then I'm going to draw the mouth a little bit open, and I'm just going to do the other side as well. Right, and then we do the top of the head. And now that we have this, we're going to go up and we're going to draw the ears. Here we go. Right, and now from here, we're going to start to make this a little bit better. So I'm going to do the forearm. There's the forearm, the arm going over, and then here the arm going under with the sleeve. We're going to go in, we're going to do the sleeve here, and then I'm just going to do a little sleeve there as well. Now I'm going to draw the elbow a little bit out, and we're just going to bring it back to the body, and here we're going to do the same thing as well. So there we have the folding arms, and then from here I'm just going to make his body a little bit wider, and we're going to draw the jersey. There we go, right there. And then of course we're going to go here and we'll draw the stripe there. Now I'm going to make this legs a bit shorter. Now about this distance, I'm going to draw the underside there, and then we're going to start here and I'll curve this line in and I'll leave this line straight. And then from here we're going to just draw the under side of the pants, and you're going to bring it up. And here as well, we're just going to draw the pants there, and we can bring it up there as well. Right, now from here, you're going to draw the ankles. Just draw this side as well. And then I'm just going to draw the foot. So here's one foot. And the other one is a bit show off to the side, so I'll just draw the foot here as well, like this. Something like that. And then of course, I'll just draw Austin's tail going out here and going back there. There we go. Good, now that we have this, we're going to go back, we're going to take our Sharpie, and we're going to go over the lines. Okay, I'm going to start again with the head, and it's going right into the smile. We're going to draw the nose. Here we go. And then the light reflection. Back to the mouth, yeah. Here we go. And then the ears. And then, of course, there's one arm, there's the other one. And then of course the body. Stripe on the shirt. Pants. And then of course the tail. Great, and there's Austin. Now we can take our color pencils and we can color Austin in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.